This is my second cruise and definitely the best one yet. Yes, I am heading to Antarctica. The expedition cruise I choose is Seabourn Pursuit, the newest Antarctica expedition ship built in 2023. It is an 11-day Great White Continent voyage. Seabourn includes a charter flight from Buenos Aires to Ushuaia. There are 2 flight groups and we are in the second group. Our flight departs at 9 a.m. and arrives in Ushuaia around 12 p.m. Seabourn gave us a 45-minute to an hour tour before we board the ship. The first stop was the Ushuaia sign for a 10-minute photo stop. The second stop was at the tourist center for 30 minutes. You can get a passport stamp or shop around. Then we headed to the port for boarding. While waiting to board the ship on the bus, they handed us a paper boarding pass. Once we entered the ship, they took our photo and gave us our cruise boarding badge. After that, we were free to relax until 4 p.m. Now let's take a look at our room. This is a B4 veranda suite located on deck 7 aftward. They call these the spa suites. We love it. It is next to gym and very close to the central stairway. The only thing I dislike was the shower area. It is a bit small, even for someone as tiny as me. However, I do like the heated clothing rack. I also like this walk-in closet. It has plenty of storage shelves and hangers. The space is definitely spacious and I really like the design. Seabourn is a luxury cruise line, so all the rooms on Seabourn have a balcony view. A tip: don't lose those binoculars, they are expensive. This cruise includes premium drinks, but since we don't drink, we didn't inquire about it. And there are 3 pillow options: extra firm, firm, and soft to pick from. Due to the logistics, our backpack didn't arrive on time, but we received them when we returned to Ushuaia. Now let me show you around the ship. I will start with deck 7 where we are, and then we will tour from deck 9 to deck 4. Afternoon tea isn't offered every day, so keep an eye for it. It's quite nice. The laundry once, it is free, but if you want a crew member to do it for you, there is a fee. Each day we have 2 expeditions, either a landing or zodiac cruising. We have around 1.5 hours for each landing and an hour for zodiac cruising. The timing is perfect for us. There are 6 color groups, each with its own schedules, and the groups rotate so that one color won't always go first. Another thing we also like is you don't have to go to the Discovery Center for lectures or briefings. You can watch them from your room. We have no clue where we were going as everything depends on weather. So here's a look at our itinerary and the place we visited. We were especially happy to visit Port Lockroy, even though we couldn't land, but we were still able to mail out some postcards from Antarctica. Also, a quick tip, don't forget to book your tour ahead of time. Due to the weather restriction, we thought we could book the kayak tour once we were on board. But with about 100 sign up, we were lucky there was still space. We did our kayak tour on the last morning. I highly recommend downloading the Seabourn Source app. There are many activities like the trivia games, complimentary food analysis, scan tests, and more. We dined at the Colonnade for lunch, breakfast, and dinner at the restaurant. One night we had a dinner at the Colonnade and the lunch at the restaurant as well. Thanks to Mr. Musk, the Starlink internet was amazing. We stayed connected to the world throughout the entire trip. We arrived in Ushuaia around 6 p.m. and depending on the weather, you will get some last-minute shopping, more king crab, and a chance to enjoy the beautiful night view of Ushuaia. Stay tuned for the Antarctica video.